Listen, speak, read, write. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe now, like, and comment.
I'll take it from here, Miss Lisa. Hello, class, I'm an AI voice. Miss Lisa calls Mr. Facts. Today I'll read to you a very short story called The Trick-or-Treat Origin Story. Let's begin. Trick-or-treating began in Europe. It came from religious customs and folk practices. In medieval Britain and Ireland, there was a custom called souling. Poor people, often children, would go door to door. They asked for small pastries called soul cakes. In return, they prayed for the souls of the family's dead relatives. In Scotland and Ireland, people practiced guising. Children dressed in costumes and performed songs or jokes. They received small gifts, food or coins. Irish and Scottish immigrants brought these traditions to America in the 19th century. Over time, they blended with local customs. By the early 20th century, trick-or-treating was a common Halloween tradition in the U.S.
That's the end. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and a comment would be wonderful.